We're back on the DIY train.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel whenever I'm lonely.
Hey y'all, I cannot help myself. So we're back on the DIY train. Last month I got my 11-month inspection done, and they were able to fix a couple of things around the house, and one of the things they fixed were the nail pops in the ceiling. So I need to go back and paint those areas. Also, I need to finish putting up my recessed lights downstairs. I put some of them up, but I need to finish those. So I'm going to Lowe's to get some paint to touch up the ceilings. These are the spots that were fixed. They all need to be painted the ceiling color, and I need to change these recessed lights in the kitchen. I'm also going to be changing this light to a light fixture. Last year I purchased these recessed lights from Amazon. That's what it looks like, and when you turn it back on, it has the dimmable yellow light. So I really like that feature. Like I said, I picked this up from Amazon sometime last year. They come in 6 and 12 pack. I went ahead and ordered the 12 pack. They are super thin, and they come with their own individual junction boxes. The thing I really like about these, you're able to change the temperature. I am just gonna keep it to the coolest because I want to mimic daylight. This is what it looks like in the living room. It's pretty bright outside right now, so having these light on, it brighten up the place without casting that yellow light. I think for the kitchen, I'm going to put it on 4,000, so that way it can be not too cool. They're super easy to install. I will show you guys how exactly I installed these. But yeah guys, so that is what's going on this weekend. I am going to head to the store. So here I am for the 100th time trying to decide on a color for the dining room in the front of the house. I have been going through this for the past year. I still can't decide. I know for a fact I want to do something green, maybe like a moody green, but there's so many different shades of green. It is hard to decide. If you have any suggestion, leave it in the comment. This is the thing with paint. Always confuse me. It's like, which one should I get? Maybe I should get this one. Scrub Shield Technology. Okay, that's good. And the price is right. Yeah, I think I want to get this eggshell.
You getting it?
Yeah. Let me get one of these. Where's the lint-free ones? I mean, I'm gonna throw these things away right after I'm done, so we don't really need to spend a lot of money on it.
Get this one.
That's only one in it.
I thought it was 2.
This one.
Oh.
I think 3 for $10 is not bad. Maybe get one of these. Why is it so expensive here? I could get this at the dollar store actually. All of this is $13. I can use this little roller for the ceiling.
That little one?
Yes, I'm not painting the whole ceiling. I'm just painting the little spots. I think this will do. 20. showing the existing junction box. I'm not going to remove the junction box. I'm just going to move it out of the way and have space for the junction box that came with the light. The package did come with a template. I'm looking everywhere. I cannot find it. Like I said, it's been months since I purchased these lights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the back of the light and use that as my guide. Also, I highly recommend you get a drywall cutter. This one was very inexpensive from Lowe's.
And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes.
Y'all, this was an arm workout because my arms were on fire.
Fun killer, fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall, my heart, does it feel you rooted clay?
I appreciate the fact that this brand included everything in their packaging. I did not have to buy anything to install these lights. Here, I'm just showing how to connect the wires in the junction box. So basically, you're just going to push the wire in one of those little holes. There's like a clicky sound, and once you move it, it should not come out. Basically, that is what I'm doing, and each wire go into their own, I don't know the name of this thing, but each wire go into their own thing. The next step is you pop the side of the junction box. That's where the wire from the ceiling is going to go through. And this is how you're going to connect the junction box to the light. So here I am just separating my wires, and I'm going to put each wire in its own separate hole, making sure that the black wires go with the black and the white wires go with the white.
Baby, wait before you interject. You got the right impression, maybe I'm impressed. Oh, the feeling shook you one day, so forget. But you got a man and I can't remind. No, before the camera catch me for forget. Got to better for play. Something like go sweet in my birthday. If later you call me, or no later than 6:30. My girl won't like this, yeah. Make group chat, they talking my gist. Come try this, so less romantic. But deep down, we should not be doing this. Can't talk party, oh. I know you, they feel like Ronaldinho. Say you want to mission impossible. I hope you know. Nobody has to know. Put down for it, my lover. Melodies want for me now. Put down for it, I love her. Melodies want for me now.
So that is pretty much the installation process. Like I said, it is not really difficult. Once you install one, the rest of the installation is basically repetitive. You know, I'm kind of standing up here, but I just want to say this. Dealing with electricity can be a little bit intimidating. Before I bought this house, I was terrified when it comes to anything that have to do with electricity, but once you install one or two light fixtures, you kind of get the hang of it. What I would say is do not be afraid. Safety first. Make sure you're taking precaution and do not cut corners. It's really not that hard. If I can do it, you definitely can as well. So enjoy the video. I'm gonna turn on some music, do the rest of these, and then come back and show you guys. Hopefully when I turn on that breaker, everything works as it should.
I just put you back home. Let me see dance. Look at all the splash. And I empty out my hearts too. Now I'm fucking leaning on that. Bring it love, baby, I can bring my shame. Bring the drugs, baby, I can bring my pain. I got my heart right beat. I got my scars trying hearts. Bring the love, baby, I can bring the pain. Bring your body, baby, I can bring you pain. That's my motherfucking words too. Just let me motherfucking love you. It's some more of you, all the time. Be all for this, I be all for this. I said,
I've put up the lights, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and touch up the ceiling. And let me show you guys that it actually works.
let me see you dance. I love to watch you dance. Take you down to another level. Get you dancing with the decor. Take a shot of this. I don't want you.
I don't know if you guys can see, but the color is not correct. This is from Sharon Williams, and here is the color. You see how it matched so well up here in the kitchen, and I also put it on this light so it matched perfectly. But this color right here supposed to be the exact same color from Lowe's, and this is the Sharon Williams color that I put over here. So this match, but that color from Lowe's, it is not matching and it's giving me patchiness. So I need to go to Sharon Williams and get the right color. Now I'm going to be installing this light right here. I got this light a while back. I tried putting it in here, but it was hanging too low. So I decided I'm gonna keep it and put it here on top of this table. I think it would go really nice here.
Dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I got it quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Got you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
Call people friendly. Oh my god, this paint looks so bad on the ceiling. I just keep staring at it like I'm disappointed, Lowe's. I am disappointed. The struggle is real. I really don't want to drink coffee, but I want to. So I'm craving coffee, but I want a cold drink and I don't like iced coffee. Maybe I should do this pre-workout, but I'm not going to go work out. So, and yeah. Cheers, y'all. So this morning I am going to Sharon Williams and try to get the correct color. And I think going forward, I'm just gonna get my paint from Sharon Williams because I feel like it's always off with Lowe's. The paint that I have in the hallway, I went back to get a smaller can of it and they gave me a completely different color. I couldn't even use it. I had to return it. So this is not the first time. This is what the dining room look like right now. I'm gonna stop at Home Depot and get more of these little lights. I think I need a pack more. I only got one pack because I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the light fixture. Why is it twisted? I feel like it's, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but this is what it looks like. I need to play with it a little bit. Yeah, is it me? But this is the light fixture. I really like it. I think it's perfect for this dining room. The light is from either Wayfair, I can't remember, but I will make sure to link it in the description. And the table is from CB2. But yeah.